Hey loves, in today's video, I'll be showing you what I've been doing for the past week or so. I've been truly busy with being a mom, and my son built his first computer, and so I feel like that's super exciting. I'll just show you a few clips of that because I won't be putting this out until everything is completely done in their room, but I am so proud of him, so stay tuned for that. And tons of other projects like DIYs, so subscribe and let's get into it. And I'll be leaving his link below. Go subscribe to these great, amazing young creators.
Allocated, that's mine. Next. Whew, it's working very good, yep.
Congratulations, you did it. You did it, and it's gorgeous. Wait till everything is set up. I'm not putting this out. Let me turn it. So I'm teaching Ari how to blow dry and take care of her hair. So all girls need to be taught how to do proper hair care. So what we did was we put heat protectant, and she's using this one easy tool to blow dry her hair. And she has a hair appointment coming up. So this is perfect for her to learn how to do it seamlessly. So Ariana's getting goddess braids. She's been wanting this since her birthday, but the lady who normally does it is always traveling back and forth to Africa, so her niece ended up doing it for us, and it came out so cute. Not too many though, because I don't like her having so much plaits in her hair. And I stopped and got flowers and got home to figure out what I was going to do for the upcoming holiday. And I just did some basket arrangements for the house and also for the kids, and it turned out super gorgeous. So I'm just going to give you guys some clips, not going to do too much talking, and just stay tuned for a Zara Get Ready With Us and a day out with us.
Everything you've ever wanted to do is doing it.
The task of making order victorious over chaos or battle.
One that builds up and creates.
Manifest the idea. Now then, you see.
What's the secret to happiness? Finding something you love and then doing that for the rest of your life. What is freedom? Waking up in the morning and going to sleep at night, and in between doing exactly what I want to do. What keeps you motivated? I'm here, all of my dreams and aspirations are here, and the only thing in between these two is a bunch of work. So tackling that work is a way of moving this needle. That's all the motivation I need. I love progress in any manifestation.
Fantastic. Very obsessive about his work.
What are your motivations to get up in the morning?
Let's talk about you need enthusiasm.
Laying in bed is stagnation. It's like I'm not doing anything. Get up, get out, and start the day.
If you take this serious, you will look upon it as more.
What's your best piece of advice for keeping yourself motivated on those days when you can't even? Just sit around and say, I'm not motivated, so I can't do anything. To me, it's the same thing as sitting around being like, I'm so hungry, I can't eat. The only way you're going to alleviate your hunger is to eat some food. The only way to fix your motivation problem is to do something. I thrive on the constant stress that is having more things that I need to do than I have time to do them. I always keep a backlog of things that I need to do just in case I have a free moment so I can do that. Free time is the enemy of progress. Do you learn more from success or failure? I think that it's always the toughest times in your life that define who you are. What's the best advice you would give to someone who's worried about their future? My advice is always the same, which is keep yourself extremely busy. As long as you're doing something, you will find your path.
I feel like anybody can do anything they set their mind to.
In life, you should only ever be doing one of two things.
Fantastic.
And that is figuring out what you're most passionate about, like finding your dreams in life. And then two, realizing those passions, realizing those dreams. How like, what am I doing right now? Is this exactly where I want to be? And by always checking with myself, always checking in, like always hitting that reset button, I can always be really confident in my actions because I know that my ambition is true. I feel like I've come really far in life, but I want to go much further, and I'm constantly reevaluating my decisions and what I'm doing to make sure I'm on the path that I want to be on.
Congratulations.
Know that there's something deep inside that helps us become what we can. And what a good feeling to feel like this.
And a guy that was kind of an inspiration to me.
I was told that it was some crazy genius from New York.
Getting all hung up on imaginary problems. You gotta focus on what's real, man.
Like, they need to upgrade those phone cameras. All those updates they give us, and they can't update the phone camera.
Today, we honor a man who has been an inspiration to our citizens.
You look weird staring in the camera like that. You gotta make you dark. You too white. Okay, let's get some shoe cam. Okay. Let's do the other one. Okay, you giving shoe cam? You like it?
Yes, I do.
Alright, you need a little lotion. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Okay. This is the first time these pants ever fit me perfect. They clothes never fit me. They always too tight. They never too big. Mind you, I look like I got no booty.
Isn't that a good thing?
No. Ashley, get away from my camera. That's the one thing girls want. His butt. Just have no butt.
What's a good thing for me?
Let's do shoe cam for me.
What's the secret to happiness? Finding something you love and then doing that for the rest of your life. What is freedom? Waking up in the morning and going to sleep at night, and in between doing exactly what I want to do. What keeps you motivated? I'm here. All of my dreams and aspirations are here.
I like it. We got pockets. Right here on it. Put your phone in one of those zip
Tackling that
pockets.
work is a way of moving this needle. That's all the motivation I need. I love progress in any manifestation.
Fantastic.
What are your motivations to get up in the morning? Laying in bed is stagnation. It's like I'm not doing anything. Get up, get out, and start the day.
If you take this serious, you will look upon it as more.
What's your best piece of advice for keeping yourself motivated on those days when you can't even? To sit around and say, I'm not motivated, so I can't do anything. To me, it's the same thing as sitting around being like, I'm so hungry, I can't eat.
I'm at the yesterday I'm at the tallest boy. He's like 2 inches.
It don't matter. You're the prettiest one. Don't worry about all that.
fashion.
The exercise is going up the stairs. That is so much fun.
Then I went down. I was terrified.
You were scared?
I was terrified. That thing was on steroids. It was so fast. It was just going fast. It was on steroids. Oh, yes, I will. What are you doing?
They definitely did. That man yelling at them trying to tell them to do something. They ain't doing nothing. Your turn. The other way. That way. That's right, honey. Use your feet.
That's it. How can we go with them?
No. Oh, they scared. They gotta be scared. How was it? How was it? Why are you crying? Supposed to get sick.
You have to scare. I told you have to scream about so he doesn't feel scary. Yeah.
That's good.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.